over here we got my Farmall 350 diesel that I bought at an auction. I got a, chrome hood stack on it. It's wide front, 2-wheel drive. It's got lights, hydraulics, and a 2-point. It's got a TA, a torque amplifier, and shifters right here and our hydraulic levers. The battery. Over here I got my John Deere bar mower that's mounted, and it mounts directly to the tractor. I got a trailer full of straw bales here that I baled with my balers. We got my dad's corn auger, my grandpa's lawnmower. We got his feed wagon tractor here, my grandpa's 8430 John Deere with an ND 950 behind it. And right here I got my Alice Chalmers WC tore apart, trying to make it run. It's narrow front, no hydraulics or nothing. It's got a PTO, but not on it right now. Then out here we got my grandpa's diesel gator. And then we got Lorenz hay sled out here on the 6175M with a loader on it. Front wheel assist. And over here we got my 79 Chevy truck. It ain't got the hood on it right now. It's got a flatbed on it, or it does now. It was a silage bed, but I tore off the sides and made it a flatbed. Got an extension up there. On the inside, it's not very nice. We got the dash is all tore apart. Seats are chewed apart by the mice, but it's got a 5-speed high-low transmission. It's a manual. Got the clutch down there, and pretty sure it's got a .396 small block in it. But for 357, I don't remember what it is, but it's got a rebuilt carburetor on it. There's the radiator and stuff. Took the hood off so we could work on it. The bumper got ripped off when we were pulling it out of the trees. The brakes do not currently work on it, but it's got a few holes in the doors. But I'm going to use tall square bales, so should work, I would think.